Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to download Netflix in your Samsung TV. So at first go to your TV home screen. You have to just press this home button from your remote and then go to apps option. Now from here just scroll down and here on the recommended option you can find Netflix. Now if you cannot find Netflix option from here, then just go back. You have to just press return button. And then at the corner you can see search option, then just go to search and then press OK button. Now here at the top you can see search option, then just go to search and then press OK. Now from here you have to just type Netflix and here you can see Netflix option, then just select it and then press OK. Then you have to select install from here and then press OK again, and you can see that will start downloading. So just give it a moment. You can see the app size is 107 megabyte. You can see it's almost done and the download is complete. Now from here you can open your downloaded apps. Also if you want to find your all the downloaded apps, just go back. You have to just press return button from your remote and then go to home screen, then go to apps option and then scroll down, and that's it. Now here you can find your all the downloaded apps, and at the first you can see Netflix option, then just open it and that's it. Now Netflix is ready for use. Now from here you can log in or sign up your Netflix account, and that is how you can download Netflix in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.